Hello everyone, we're gonna start with question number 24, which states that phenyl reacts with methyl chloroformate in the presence of NaOH to form the product A. Then A reacts with Br2 to form product B. So we have to find product A and product B. So we will have phenyl with OH3 into it, then we will reduce it by OH minus, then we will react it with another compound. We will found benzene ring, then we will add Br2, then it will replace by O minus because it's have a tendency to occupy the empty space and form bond more stronger. Therefore we will have this equation in the end. According to this, we will have answer number 2, in which there will be a benzene ring with double bond with single bond with O, double bond with O, single bond with O. Thank you.